Welcome, I'm Graham Hugay from My House Design Build Team. And this project is entitled Grandeur. Here in South Surrey on an acreage, we've created a 7,000 square foot family home, custom built for this family's needs, including an attached carriage home above the garage. Included in this house is a beautiful indoor swimming pool to allow relaxation and entertainment. We look forward to sharing this project with you.
The client came to us with a clear understanding of what they were hoping to accomplish. They had strong Georgian or colonial influences that they wanted to achieve in their home. And so we took that input from the client and we created for them a custom home with very strong Georgian street appeal and a really neutral classic interior. In addition to the grand front door, which is 42 inches wide by 8 feet tall, it has side lights on both sides and an iron filigree detail in the glass to give an elegant feel. One of my favorite spaces is the foyer, the grand entrance. We designed a tile inset in the front foyer that has a marble pattern to it to create a feel of elegance, and a coffered ceiling that is part of the walkway above to give that space some design as opposed to just being a flat ceiling. Pairing that with really strong molding details around the entrances to the library and the parlor and wainscot paneling, it really gives a feeling of openness and welcoming as you enter the home through the front door. And it draws you straight through to the dining room and past that into their indoor pool space, which really helps give the home a cohesive and family-oriented feel to it. It's an indoor pool space which has both a lap pool and a hot tub. The flooring is a brushed concrete, which gives a nice touch to the foot. We've tiled the inside of the pool to create a really beautiful, welcoming pool atmosphere. That space also has many doors and windows to the outside, which really, in the summertime, creates that lovely indoor-outdoor use of space where the doors can be wide open. You can be having a barbecue and entertaining friends and family and have that indoor-outdoor experience while getting to use the pool. Right off the dining room, we have the kitchen, and it's more of a show kitchen than a functioning kitchen. It doesn't have a dishwasher, but we have a T-shaped island with a lowered section for casual dining and 3 really nice chandeliers highlighting that space. The raised portion then leads to the sink and cleanup area, and adjacent to that is a Sub-Zero wine fridge, a fully paneled Sub-Zero regular fridge, and a steam oven. In behind, we've created brick columns which really tie in that Georgian feel and bring the outside in, but also it was a great way to hide some structural elements that we needed to contend with at the time. And we've fully enclosed the range area with the brick and created a little niche on one side for oils and spices that the client may need in the moment while they're cooking. And we also selected a black hood fan so that it would not detract from the brick, but provide proper venting and not be a shiny element as if it was a stainless steel or something of that sort. There's the spice kitchen directly off the main kitchen where the family does the majority of their heavy-duty cooking. Cabinet style and color ties in exactly with the formal kitchen space, but it's got a more powerful vent and more functional appliances for the day-to-day cooking that the family may be doing. And we have a full walk-in pantry directly off the spice kitchen to supplement that space. In the family room, we have a gas fireplace surrounded by lovely brick that's tied into the brick elements that we currently have in the kitchen. On both sides of the fireplace, we've created a wainscot panel detail with decorative lighting, and this is designed to draw your eye to that wall and really create a feature space. In the 7,000 square foot home, we actually only have 2 TVs. There are none in the main living area, but we do have the large theater room, which was designed for entertaining and karaoke and other such fun items that the family would do together. And then there's also the TV in the master bedroom. In the powder room, we created a wall paneling detail And the client herself actually painted the wallpaper that we've installed in the center of the panels, which I think adds a very personal touch to the space. The laundry room is probably one of the largest ones I've ever designed, and it's right off the garage, so we had a lot of closet storage for coats and shoes and all of the daily wear that the homeowners have, plus oversized North American laundry units and a fold-down drying rack directly above the sink. Upstairs, we actually have a series of 4 bedrooms. 3 are family member bedrooms and 1's a guest room. The master bedroom is a fully enclosed suite. In that space, we have an office designed for the man of the house so he can work at his trade at all hours of the day. A full walk-in closet with a sun tunnel to allow natural light into that space, as it's on an interior wall. There are no windows. The bedroom houses an entertainment unit with an electric fireplace and a TV above it with open shelving on either sides. The ensuite is classically elegant. It has marble flooring, a freestanding oval tub with a chrome tub filler that has a very interesting twist to the shape of it, and 2 sink vanity with a medicine tower running up the center. All of the showers in the home have a detail tile on the back wall. In the master bedroom and the daughter's bedroom, it has a damask pattern in a bronze finish. The son's bathroom, we went a little bit more rustic and have a barnwood look tile. And in the guest bathroom, we have a white tile with a floral motif on it. All the bathrooms have frameless shower enclosures for a nice, clean, seamless look. In the son's closet, we installed a laundry chute that drops directly down into the laundry below so that the family doesn't have to carry their clothes all the way down the stairs.
We've enjoyed sharing this project with you, and we look forward to sitting down at your kitchen table to discuss what dreams you have in mind for your next project.